Hello everyone, this is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas. I have a bonus haul to share with you. I picked up some goodies from Hobby Lobby Tuesday morning and from JoAnn's, and let me show you what I picked up. Let's start with these. I picked up some fall crafting items, and I picked up 3 of these. These are the leaf and pumpkin stickers. You get 16 pieces in here. They were $2.99 and I paid 75 cents each on these. They're wooden cutouts with the sticker in the back. It's lightly stained. See there? But it's still cute. And then of course the stem and the leaves are colored. But you can still color it to the way you like. I like this. And then I picked up some Christmas items. Let's see. Let's start with this one. This was $4.99 and I paid $2. This is a countdown blocks. I didn't even know Hobby Lobby had this. Isn't that cute? So what it is I think it's a 2x2 and it cut in cute little blocks. I know. I probably would have saved money just going to like the lumber store and buying it, but guess what? It comes with some goodies. 3 blocks, 2 numerical sticker sheets, and 19 assorted stickers. All the stickers you get, and here's the numbers. And the numbers are in gold glitter. Look at that. And then I picked up 2 of these Baker twines, they're called. And they're the white and the metallic red string. See there? I like it. I want them very, very much, is why I bought them. And then I also picked up 2 of these. These were $3.99 and I paid $1.60. I like this one. So I was after this ribbon here, but then I saw that this one, and I'm like, I need that one too. And then I was like, well, what else do I need? I was like, let me stop. I don't need all that. So look at this one. I like this one. This would make a cute little bow. Look at this. That was my thought when I bought it. Look at that. How cute is that? You can, wrap your package with this cording and then make a cute bow like that. Adorable, right? I like it. So I picked up 2 of those. And then I picked up some little pieces. Let's see. I picked up some candy canes. You get 20 candy canes in here. And these were $1.99 and I paid 80 cents each. I picked up 2 packages of the candy canes, 2 of the reindeers, and then these are wooden pieces that are painted with gold glitter. You get 6 reindeers per bag. And then I picked up another one of these buttons. They're little cookie cutter buttons. I like this one. Cute. And then this was $2.99 and I paid $1.20 for this one. And then these are mini jingle bells, I guess you can call it. And you get 75 pieces in this one. See how tiny they are? Cute, right? And I was undecided. They have one that has like multicolors in there, and then they also had this red and the green one, so I picked this up. I may go back for the multicolor one once Christmas drops to 75% off. And then I also picked this one up. This one was regular $1.99, and again I paid 80 cents. And then this is the Santa suit. You get a jacket, 2 boots, and a hat. Cute, right? I like it. And I picked up 2 pieces of jewelry. I picked up this ring here. It was $3.99, and it was $2. No, where is it? $3.99 was $1.60. I'm sorry. And look, I bought it for the bells, and they're tiny, tiny bells. I will not be using it as a ring. I just want the bells off of here. And then look at this one. This is a brooch. It's a Christmas brooch. How cute. This was $6.99, and I paid $2.80. I like it. You get some crystals. You get the red and then the green gems in there. See how adorable. I like it. I think I'm going to use this on my dress form. It'll look really cute on there. So that was my thought for picking this one up. The last item I picked up from Hobby Lobby is this. This is the Cutting Path Extended by Sizzix. It was $22.99 and I paid $13.79. Now see, this is the long one. So this is about 14.5 inches long and then 6 inches wide. So I was quite happy to find this one. So it came home with me. That's everything from Hobby Lobby. From Tuesday morning, I picked up this. It's the sticker sheet for the Antique Garden collection by KC Company, and you get 62 stickers. If you watch my last haul for Tuesday morning, you'll see that I picked up the ephemera pack for the Antique Garden collection. So I am quite happy I found the stickers. Look at this. That is quite a lot of stickers, right? See? Nice. So I picked up 4, and then these were $2.99, and then there's the number if you need it. I also found some more stamp and dies. So this is by Nature's Garden, by Crafter's Companion, Beautiful collection, and it's the beehive. There's the number if you need it. And it was $5.99, and you get 19 pieces in this pack. I'm quite happy they actually have something else to go with my little embossing folder that I bought. So this is the die cut set and then the stamps. So I'm quite happy to add this to my collection. And then I also found this. This is by Belle Countryside, and it's Precious Peonies, and there's the number. It was $5.99, and you get 8 pieces in this one. And then look, this is what you make the flowers. Pretty peonies. I love peonies. Look at this. And then it seems simple enough, right? I should be able to complete that project with no problem. And then the last item I picked up from Tuesday morning is this one. This is also the Belle Countryside, and it's the grand frame. And then there's the number. And it was $5.99, and you get 6 pieces in here. And this is a stamp and die set. So you get the die. The die is like only for the frame around this whole piece here, and then the stamp set. Really cute. I am quite looking forward to working with this piece right here too. Quite happy. Well, I will keep checking Tuesday morning to see what else they have. And then from JoAnn's, I picked up my magazines. They have the Christmas edition in. Look at this. It says, Merry Christmas. May love and joy come to you. Cute. I love my Victoria magazine. They have some pretty stuff in here. I love all the cute stuff in here. Look at this. Yum yum. And then you got some great table setting ideas. Adorable. And then some tree decorating ideas. I love this magazine. It's so full of goodies. Oh look. They have what is her name? Oh, Mackenzie Child. How weird is that? Look at, is it a chair that's sitting in the sleigh? I don't know. It's kind of weird, huh? Look, there's the hat, the head, the body, and then it looks like chair legs for the legs. That is weird. And then the deer. Anyhow. So that's my Victoria magazine. Oh, I'm glad that came out. And then I picked this up. Look at this. This is the ultimate card making pack. Some goodies in this package. It was $24.99, but I used my coupon, so I did not pay that much. I think I paid like $16 after all the goodie coupons that JoAnn has. So it's got 2 + 2 mags and kits. Look at this. This is a multi-card making set, and it's by Stephanie Waitman. Look at this. It has that blooming box. I love making these. So gorgeous. So I'm going to make some more again. But yeah, I love making those. Oh, and then this was in the first package. What did I do with my plastic? I misplaced my plastics. But you get this tattered lace die cut metal die for craft projects. It says it's vintage Merry Christmas. Nice. And then in the second package I got this one. Oh wait, hold on. Sorry. The magazine is still part of the first package. So the first package you get this. You get the magazine, the card set, and the die. But it has some great looks like spring and summer ideas. And this is issue 162. See? Wow, 66 summer cards. So I think that this is like a, you know, they're overstock of back issues. They just make into kits. And then the second package, this one came in there. Biggest ever card making and gift box kit, this is. Make your own bonus hard box like this. And it makes 16 cards with your kit. And then here's the magazine that goes with this kit here. So you get these two in the second package. And then this is issue 359 from June 21. Hello Summer, 212 Inspiring Ideas. And then this is Crafts Beautiful. Oh, I didn't read the main thing. So the first magazine was Paper Crafter. And then this one is the Craft Beautiful. It does have some paper card making stuff. Let's do a quick flip through and see what they're offering. Oh look, ideas on how to use the crepe paper. Cute. Oh, that's nice. Oh look, paint pouring. I have not tried paint pouring and I don't think I'm ready to try it. Oh, how cute. Look at this. A Finley fox. There's some cute ideas in here, right? What is this? Marine towel set. Oh, look, patterns. I hope that I was able to show you a few items today you may want to keep a watch out for when you go visit Tuesday Morning, JoAnn's, and Hobby Lobby. Well, their Christmas items are still at 60% off, so I'm looking forward to when they go to 75%. That's the time to shop, right? I would like to wish everyone a happy Thanksgiving. Thank you for stopping by. This is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas, and I will see you next time.